Let's get ready for a Haldi event. This was my inspiration for makeup. The first and most important step is to prep the skin. So I sprayed the Plum Vitamin C toner followed with Plum Green Tea moisturizer and then a sunscreen since it was a daytime event. Give the products time to sink into your skin. Then I tamed my brows using a spoolie brush, and for filling it in I have used the My Glam brow powder in the shade Ebony and Walnut. This is a very dark brown shade and complements my skin tone perfectly. Also, let me tell you, if you're a beginner, this is the best brow product to work with. Then I have applied a primer, and this is the Inside Cosmetics oil free primer. I have just pressed it into my skin. To cover my dark circles, acne marks and pigmentation, I have used the Swiss Beauty liquid concealer in the shade Warm Sand. This is by far my most favorite concealer. It is my exact shade, so I use it to cover. I have used a brush to blend it. You can either use your fingers or a damp beauty blender. Also, keep a very light hand at it and do not drag the product. Blend it at the same spot if you are looking for a perfect coverage. For the foundation, I have used my favorite Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte Perfect Cover Foundation in the shade Warm Caramel. This too is my exact shade and I have used a damp beauty blender to blend it. For highlighting my under eyes, I am using a lighter shade of concealer, and this is the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer in the shade 317. This is a full coverage concealer. Now comes my favorite part, blush. I have mixed my cream blush with a liquid illuminator to give a dewy finish to my face. The cream blush is from Just Herbs in the shade Forever Pink, and the liquid illuminator is from Inside Cosmetics in the shade Rose Gold. I have used the back of my hand as a mixing palette and mixed both of them, and using a very light hand I am applying it with a brush. The key is to build slowly and not to apply all the products at once, making it cakey. We don't want that. Then for setting my under eyes and smile lines, I have used the Lakme Rose Powder. For setting the cream blush, I have used the same shade of powder blush from the C2P Pro Face Palette. At this point, I knew I fucked up and applied too much of it. But anyway, I toned it down. Let me tell you how. For that, you just need a dry beauty blender. Run it across the areas you feel there's too much product, and the beauty blender will tone it down. I have also applied a little powder highlighter from the same face palette. It's a beautiful rose gold shade. Then comes the magic wand part, the mascara. I have used the Reached Mars Fabulash mascara. This is the most affordable one, yet it's super voluminous and stays on for really long. For my lips, I have used the Sugar Pop lip gloss in the shade Cotton Candy. It's a rich pink lip gloss, and if you know me, I am never satisfied with one lip product. So for extra glossy feel, I have applied the Swiss Beauty Kiss Candy lip balm in the shade Mulberry on top of it. To set my makeup, I have used the Inside Cosmetics Makeup Fixer, and that's it. Also, to elevate my look, I have added some churiyan, jhumke and bindi to my look. That's it. That's the final look. And let me know if I have achieved the inspiration that I have showed you in the beginning of the video. And yeah, I hope you like it. And if you do like this video, hit the like button. You can also share this video to your friends, families, and yeah, you can also subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me, and thank you for staying for so long with me and bearing me. I love you a lot. See you soon with another makeup tutorial. Bye bye. Love you, mama.